When precision matters most, the smartest thing that you can do is connecting your Matrice 4 to an Emlet Reach RS2 Plus base station. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this powerful combination, making sure that you can achieve centimeter level accuracy regardless of your environment. Let's get into it. First, we'll start the Emlet Reach RS2 Plus base station, then the controller and the drone. Once everything is powered on, you can enter the camera view on your smart controller, connect your smart controller to the Reach RS2 Plus. The password is Emlet Reach, all in small letters. Click connect. Then you also go to your device, under your Wi-Fi, click on the RS2 Plus, and then type in the same password, Emlet Reach, all in small letters. Once you can see that both devices are connected, you can now go and enter the details of your RS2 Plus base station. So on your smart controller, you'll click on the menu tab, and then right at the bottom right side, you'll see there's a small icon that looks like a satellite. Click on that. That is for the precise positioning settings, and then you scroll down to select RTK service type. In this case, we're going to set up a custom network for the RTK. We're going to call it configuration 2. So we'll just click on edit. Someone might change that to Emlet, EMLID. And then on our mobile phone, we'll make sure that we are connected to the RS2 Plus base station. Go to base output, click on local interrupt, and type in our details. So I can see my address here, it's 192.168.42.1. My port is 2101, and then my account or the username is called Reach. And then the password is Emlet Reach, all small letters. My mount point is Reach in capital. And then once I've done typing in all the details, I'll click on save. And then I can see immediately it says that the status is converging. You can also see that the positioning is now fixed. And at the bottom, we'll be able to see what the accuracies of this fixed position is. Once everything is connected, you can start your survey knowing that you have got centimeter accuracy.